Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to the channel, please be sure to subscribe, to click the bell notification, post notification bell. I think that's what it's called. But anyways, you should do that because I upload almost every, well, when I do upload, it's every Friday at 12:30. So please be sure to do that. To my returning subscribers, hey family, how are you doing? So today I have what I'm currently loving, and there's like a few beauty things. I don't think there's much skincare, but there's things that I love, so be sure to check it out. And if you're interested, be sure to check it out. Oh, no. If you're interested to see what I've been loving recently, please stay tuned. Okay, so I think we should just get the makeup and the stuff out of the way so we can get into the juicy bits, you know what I mean? Okay, so what I have been loving recently, if you've been watching my YouTube videos, like my makeup videos, you've been realizing that I've been loving mixing these two foundations, which is the Superstay Maybelline. Is it gonna actually show? Hang on, let's do that. Sorry. Okay, Maybelline, everything will be down below. The Maybelline Superstay 24-hour full coverage foundation in the shade Chestnut, mixed with the LA Girl Pro Coverage Illuminating Foundation in the shade Bronze. These two together are amazing, and it's also great because this is not my actual shade. It's a bit too dark, so I like mixing the two and getting the best of both, so that's a great thing. Another skincare tip that I've been loving is the Clinique Take the Day Off Balm. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. I've actually listened to the people on YouTube, and I actually decided, let me just buy it and check out what the hype is about, and it is so worth it. So I think this retails for like 300 and something. I will definitely put it down below, maybe a link if I can find one. So I bought it at Clicks a few months ago, and I feel like I've used it a lot, and it hasn't made much of a dent. I don't think you can see, but I'm not even halfway, and it literally is giving me life. Literally, I put it on, wipe it around, swipe it around my face. It literally melts everything down. Everything. Like, your face is amazing after this, and I love the smell of it. I just love the fact that it just melts everything away. Yes, you should buy it. And another one that I've been loving recently, if you've been watching my videos, you would know, and it is the Rimmel, get the London look. It's the Rimmel Magnif'eyes Spice Edition. Yeah, so it's their eyeshadow palette in the Spice Edition. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I've actually been sleeping on Rimmel eyeshadows. Like, I've always just skipped it and gone to the Morphes and all that stuff. But for let's say it's a drugstore, but in South Africa it's not really, but in the pharmacy, Dischem, you can get this, and I think I bought it for 189 rand. If I'm not mistaken, I'll put it down below. But it's definitely such a good palette, and it's so compact. You can literally just put in your bag and throw an eye look together. There's so many different eye looks. There is shimmers, there's mattes. It's everything you need. Okay. So other than that, I don't think I have any other makeup related. I don't think I have anything else that's makeup related. Don't you just love this lip? So this makeup look will be on, I think, before this video. If not, just check out for it. But I am going to tell you what I've been loving on Netflix. Oh my gosh, I am literally that girl that just Netflix and chills by herself all the time. Yeah, no, that sounds really bad, but it's the truth. I literally just watch Netflix all the time. So all the stuff that I've been watching recently, I'm going to give you a rundown. So I have been hooked. Okay, so I watched The Good Fight when it started, and that's a spin-off of the spin-off of The Good Wife. So I was like, you know what, let me just try it out, because I saw it on Netflix. I was like, and it has like most seasons, I think all of the seasons. So I was like, let me just check it out. Oh my gosh, it is so good. It is so good. You should actually, it is so interesting. I love it so much. Oh my gosh. Okay, and then another one that I've been watching as well is The Good Place. All of these good things, I know. The Good Place is so hilarious. Oh my gosh, you need to watch it. I'll definitely put everything down below, and there's a lot more. So I also have been watching this, it's like a sitcom, like a family sitcom. It's called One Day at a Time. It's about this Cuban family. They are so hilarious. You have to watch that as well. What else have I been watching? Okay, so I got into Dynasty like a while back, but then I was like I lost the plot of it, and I just forgot to carry on watching it. But then I was like, you know what, let me just like try it out, because I was like, let me just try it out. So I watched again, and I am completely hooked. I can't believe I ever put down ever stopped watching it. It's so effing interesting. Like, I don't understand. What else? What else? I don't have anything else that really catches my eye, and I don't know why, but I love watching Christmas movies. And it's like, I watched it like I think in like August. I don't know, but anyways, I love Christmas movies. I love romance. It's what I love. And what else have I? Oh yeah, another one that I've been loving is podcasts. So the podcast that I've been loving recently is by Ashley Graham. Oh my gosh, I love her so much. Her podcast is called Pretty Big Deal. Oh, it is so, and like, she interviews, like, I think her first interview, like, guest on her podcast was Kim Kardashian West, and then her second one was, I think, Gabrielle Union or something like that. I can't remember, but it is so interesting. Another one that I've been loving is Why Won't You Date Me by Nicole Byers. She's hilarious. She's a comedian from the US. I'll definitely put it down below. But also, oh yes, and another one that I've been listening to like for the longest time is Small Doses by Amanda Seales. You probably don't know her name, but you know Tiffany from Insecure. That is her podcast. It is so hilarious. You should definitely check it out. What else have I been loving recently? Okay, music wise. So music wise, I have, my friend put me on to Xavier Omar. Oh my gosh. So he is under R&B and soul. He is so good. So good. I love his whole album. And the album I'm talking about is The Everlasting Wave. And who else? I've been loving the song by Bad Bunny and Drake. Oh, it's such a good jam. I have no idea what they're saying, but it's a jam. It's a jam. You should get it. You're welcome. And what else? I don't know why, but recently I've been like loving going back to like the old music I used to listen to. I used to listen to such chest pain stuff. Like, I don't even understand how I was listening to that music at the age of like 14, 15. Like, oh my gosh, like such sexual things. And I'm just like, Nathanie, what were you doing? And like, I've been listening to like music from like 1973, and the fact that it is so relevant to my situation right now, amazing. So that basically is all I have. That's basically everything that I've been loving recently. If you are interested in this series, I'm probably going to try do one almost every month. And yeah, I think I should do that. Let's be consistent. So if you're interested in seeing more of the series, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.